Have you ever been in a situation where you spoke, but people didn't really listen? Maybe you said something important in a meeting or tried to explain an idea, but it just didn't land. We've all been there. The good news is that speaking with impact is not about being perfect in English or using complicated words. It's about how you communicate, how you capture attention, and how you make your words matter. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's start with the first thing, clarity. Speaking with impact begins with clear, simple, and direct language. Don't overcomplicate your sentences. If you have an idea, express it in a way that's easy to understand. For example, instead of saying, "I am of the opinion that we should consider evaluating the potentiality of this initiative," you can say, "I think we should see if this idea will work." Shorter, simpler sentences are easier to follow and leave a stronger impression. Another important aspect is confidence. People listen to confidence, not just words. Even if your English is not perfect, the way you deliver your sentences can make a huge difference. Stand or sit straight, make eye contact, and use a calm, steady voice. Pauses are powerful. Don't rush your words. A well-placed pause gives your audience time to process what you're saying and adds emphasis to your message. Storytelling is another way to speak with impact. People remember stories much more than facts or statistics. When you share an idea, try to include a short story or an example that illustrates your point. For instance, instead of just saying, "Exercise is good for health," you can say, "Last year, I started walking 30 minutes every day, and it completely changed my energy and focus." That personal story makes your message relatable and memorable. Tone and expression also play a big role. A monotone voice can make even the most interesting idea sound boring. Use variation in your pitch, speed, and volume to make your speech dynamic. When you emphasize important words or phrases, people naturally pay attention. For example, instead of saying, "This project is important," you can say, "This project is important for our future," putting weight on the word that matters most. Body language is part of impactful speaking too. Simple gestures like moving your hands slightly, nodding, or leaning forward when making a key point can make your words more engaging. But remember, gestures should feel natural. Overdoing it can be distracting, so keep it simple and aligned with your words. Preparation is another key factor. Even a few minutes of thinking about what you want to say before speaking can make a huge difference. Imagine what your audience might ask or what they need to know and structure your words accordingly. A clear beginning, middle, and end helps your audience follow along and gives your speech a sense of purpose. Let me share a story. I once had to speak in a meeting where everyone was much more experienced than me. I was nervous and afraid my words wouldn't matter, but I remembered a few principles. I spoke clearly, I shared a short personal story related to my idea, I made eye contact, and I paused to let my point sink in. By the end of the meeting, people were nodding, asking questions, and engaging with my idea. That day, I learned that impact is not about big words. It's about clarity, confidence, and storytelling. Another tip is to use strong opening lines. The first few words you say set the tone for the entire conversation or presentation. Start with a question, an interesting fact, or a bold statement to grab attention immediately. For example, instead of starting with, "I want to talk about our marketing strategy," you can say, "Did you know our last campaign reached over 1 million people in just 1 week?" Instantly, people pay attention. Listening is also part of speaking with impact. When you respond thoughtfully to others, your words carry more weight. Show that you're engaged by acknowledging what others say, and then add your point confidently. Phrases like, "That's a great point, and I'd like to add," or "I agree, and here's another idea," make your speech collaborative and powerful. Lastly, practice makes a difference. Speaking with impact doesn't happen overnight. Practice in front of a mirror, record yourself, or speak with friends. Notice your tone, your pace, your gestures, and your pauses. Every small adjustment improves how your words are received. Speaking with impact is about more than English grammar or vocabulary. It's about clarity, confidence, storytelling, expression, body language, and preparation. When you combine these elements, your words become powerful, memorable, and persuasive. So start today. Pick a small idea or story and practice expressing it clearly and confidently. Notice how people respond. With consistent practice, you'll find that speaking with impact becomes natural, and your English will feel stronger than ever. Thank you for joining me today on The English Hour. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who wants to speak with confidence and make an impact. Remember, your words have power. Use them wisely and make them count. I'll see you in the next episode with more tips to improve your English and communication skills.